Hello, if you are wondering if you can use two SIM cards and memory card at the same time on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G, then the answer is no. So over here you can see I have the SIM slot for this device. Here we have the front where we can insert the first SIM card, and at the back over here you can find the slot for either SIM2 or micro SD card. We cannot use both at the same time. So for instance, if I insert my SIM card into the second slot, let me actually try to do that, there we go. Then as you can see, there is no space for me to insert the micro SD card. So you have to choose between one or the other. There you go, let's insert the micro SD card. As you can see, the micro SD card fits pretty well, but we have to choose between one of these two. Of course, you can still insert the SIM card and use the memory card. However, you cannot use two SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.